Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by clearing the area and removing loose paint with a soft cloth. Then, you test a mild solvent on an out-of-the-way spot to confirm no damage. Use nitrile gloves and goggles because safety matters. Mix a small amount of solvent with warm water. If it's a commercial quartz-safe remover, follow label dilution. Once the test shows no dulling, you're ready to proceed. Make sure the countertop is dry before applying solvent to painted areas. You apply solvent to the paint and wait 3 to 5 minutes so the finish softens. This timing lets the chemical work without overexposure. Next, use a plastic scraper at a low angle and lift gently. If you scrape too hard, you risk surface abrasion. Once paint lifts, blot residue with a microfiber cloth rather than rubbing, because rubbing can spread softened paint. If needed, repeat application and scraping in small sections. Alternate solvent and gentle mechanical. You neutralize any solvent with warm, soapy water and rinse the area thoroughly to remove residue. This prevents lingering chemicals from dulling the surface. Then, polish with a quartz-safe cleaner and a clean microfiber cloth to restore shine, because quartz is non-porous but benefits from gentle finishing. If a faint stain remains, repeat the solvent and scrape cycle in that spot, or consult a professional. One key troubleshooting tip: if the surface etches or dulls, stop and call an expert to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.